God, it's warm. Well, another little journey takes place today. Got to knock off work early. Deb's got an ear infection, so I've had to come to the pharmacy, pick her up a prescription, and I've got to take it down to where? Bloody Towyn. So I'm on my way back down there. It must be 400 degrees. I'm sweating like a fat person for some reason. And it could be because I'm rather large. So, let's off-road down the back streets of Crewe. God, I'm hot. So hot. Gangster rap. Oh, Snoop Doggy dropping in front of us. Oh God, that's nice. Bit of breeze. I'm absolutely drenched. There you go, Snoop. There you go. West side. Right, so 1 hour 22, 57 miles to go. Estimated time 10 to 6. So we'll see. See if we can shave a bit off that. But what time is it now? 4:30. Prime knocking off time, innit, for everyone. Oh God, I am breeding Margarets. Why would people walk around with full-size headphones on? Don't get that. Don't get that at all. Get some discreet ones. Just look at Nana. Flat peaks. Don't like them neither on hats. Oh God. Give me some faster roads. Oh, another Headphone Freak. Oh God, there's a smell of cow shit around here. Wow. Simply Jim. That's where Fatty's supposed to be joining soon. Be joining in the next couple of weeks. So I get a bit of this lard off me. That'll be a job in itself, that will. Hope they sell takeaways. Oh, I can smell burgers. Now someone's barbecuing it. Oh, that's not going out there, Simply Jim, is it? They better not be cooking when I go. Okay, now. Come on, Clubman. Go on, Clubman. Go on, clubman. Let's not give any rain tonight. Let's give it a nice week now, till next week. Couldn't be the worst time to come. Well, it could be worse. I could be in a car. You stay back there for you fucking tool. Oh my god. Got one in front of us here. Why do they always do that? You can't keep going, you have to just put your foot down and they go. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. Well, quick update. It's 5 to 5 now, and I ain't travelled far. I'm just near Tarpley, so it probably took me 20 minutes to get here. Just all 30, 40 mile an hour. Cameras everywhere. It's a crap way to come this. I would have been quicker. Go back through Winsford and then go through Winsford and go that way. This way's crap. I will never come this way again. Here we are again, top of the world. Look at this shit. Foggy, but well, not foggy, misty. It's nice. Not long ago now, 14 minutes it's saying. Fucking hell, windy, always windy down this road. Sheep loving capital of the world. This is Ground Zero. Lots of police out tonight. Well, luckily, haven't come across any with this side. They've all been going the other way. Just a little added bonus. Then you couldn't speed too much down there because it was that windy. It's been blowing you all over the road. There it is. Now we're on the little roads. We're nearly there. 7 minutes. Must admit I'm dying for a wee now. Oh, he's got headphones on in his car. Oh my god, I don't know what's going on with all these headphones. Fucking idiots. Time for a fag, a brew and a piss. Piss first though. Fish and chips. I wonder if I can talk Debbie and go and get me some fish and chips. Oh yeah. All them chips smell nice. BJ's Cafe. Oh, blowjob coffee. Here we are. That's it, job done. Had a brew, had a wee. Heading back. What time is it now? 20 to 7. You can have that for driving so slow. Oh, that's bright. That's fucking bright. Oh yeah. Going through Towyn way. And I'm dying for the toilet. Still got 33 minutes before I'm home. I should be able to hold it, but it's not going to be a comfy ride home, that's for sure. Do a peg put on the end. Don't get me wrong, it's going to have to be a big peg. a very big peg. Must be. It's not the same. Not the same about our oggy leaving an indicator on. Sorry, but I'm going to have to go a little bit faster, otherwise I'll piss myself. He wanted to be me mate. And he could be. He'll have to do a few tests. He doesn't swear. He can't be in the VeryStrangeBikers. He's not a shit rider. Can't be in the VeryStrangeBikers. He's got to be very musical. He's got to make up his own songs like me. Do you want to be me mate? Yep, you do, mate. Get in the queue. Get in the queue. The mate's falling out of my pockets, I have. Fucking mate's overflowing. Do you want it? Yeah. Your mate will have to stay out of this glam. 2 you're pushing it. I think that's a bit cheeky myself. 2 in 1 hit. Quick update on the dying for a wee front. Yeah, he's getting bad now. Got 21 minutes yet. You know what I mean? I don't want to do an oggy and pull up fast on some gravel and drop me back. There was a lay-by then, the little... Oh my god, let's have a look. There's one there. Oh my god. But yeah, anyway, plan is look for a little gate and see if we can relieve some pressure. We update. Yeah, not gone according to plan. Couldn't find anywhere. I've only got 7 minutes now. I'm nearly home, so I think I should be okay to hold it. But these bumps are terrible. I've realised that no fucker driving in front of me gives a shit about me dying for a piss. They're going that slow. You know what I mean? It's terrible. No consideration. Sat nav's telling me turn right onto this. It's just a bend. Just a bend, love. Calm down. It's a bend. That's all it is. That not the wing, he knocked it back. I'm not so bad now. I've got an itchy nose though, which is hard. It's hard to itch your nose when you're going quite fast and you've got a camera on. No, we're not doing bad. We ain't doing bad. These tyres, Road 5s are great, I must admit. A lot more confident with these babies on, they just grip. Missed these lights, they're on green now, I'm not happy. Look, changing bastards. There's my shadow. Oh yeah. Come on Tontos, let's get it going. Must admit my piss has eased in a bit now. Yes, it's a lot better. So yeah, I'm going to make it home, no problem at all. But watch it here now with this road. This turning, you get slow people pulling out. Ruined this road a bit for me now, that has. Go on mate, get the fuck in. Fucking spastic. Don't need that much room. Oh yeah. It's beautiful. Right, well, that concludes the end of this little video. I'm back, 2 minutes away from home. Not pissed myself. That is an achievement in itself. It really is. I didn't think I was going to last this long, but I did. So well done, Ian. You are the guy. You really are. If I wasn't you, I'd want to be you. So well done.